What's a direct proportion? Two quantities are said to be in direct proportion if they increase or decrease in the same ratio. And in this particular lesson, I'll be talking to you about different kinds of direct proportion. We'll be talking about what we call linear direct proportion. This is the notation, and this is the formula. Y is directly proportional to x. When y is 8, x is 2. Express y in terms of x. B. Find y when x is 6. C. Find x when y is 42. So you have to do things in steps. Anytime that you see a question where they say express y in terms of x, that means they want you to create an equation or formula for it. So this is the symbol notation for direct proportion, and this is the K represent the proportionality coefficient. So how do we start? We start with the proportionality coefficient formula. Y is K equals to K times X because it's directly proportional. This is how we start this. Then you're going to use these two initial numbers to substitute to work out your K. So 8 equals 2 times K. And therefore we need to work out what K is from here. Simple equation. We divide through by 8. So K will be equals to 4. And therefore, to express our y in terms of x, we need to substitute the value of k back to what we created before, because this is called an implicit formula. So we need to make it explicit. So we know k, so the actual expression or the formula is y equals 4 times x, or y equals 4x. That's the answer for A. And once you got the answer for the formula, that's what you use to create all these, find all these answers. What this means is, you know your formula is y equals 4x. So what this actually means is that when x is equal to 6, what will be y? So it's a simple substitution question. Substitute the value of x, which is 6. Therefore, y will be equal to 4 times 6, and y will be 24. For C part, still remember the formula, y equals 4 times x. What this actually means is, when y is 42, what will be x? Also substitution. We substitute 42 in place of y. 42 equals 4 times x, and we solve for x. So we do this by dividing through by 4. If we divide through by 4, x will be 10.5. So this is an example of a linear direct proportion.